Alright, so here we are today with another HackerBox unboxing. This one is called Playground, and this is HackerBox 60. So let's dig into it and see what we got. Alright, so first off we have Circuit Playground Blue Fruit. So some kind of, it's got buttons on it, it's got USB, it's got some kind of connector on the end, and it's got all these areas here for connecting wires. So something from Adafruit. This is, looks like a display. Yeah, this is going to be a little display. It says 1.54 IPS 240 by 240 RGB. So that's a little display board. That's kind of cool. Bunch of wires as usual. This is, looks like some kind of speaker. Piezo maybe. But it looks like it's got a thing where you peel off and you can stick this to something. So we'll see what that is. 2.5 watt Class D amplifier. So that's some kind of amp board. This is, it's got some pin headers on it, and it's got a SD card reader. So it's got a little card reader on there. That's cool. Bunch of screws and a variable resistor. Pin headers, solderless breadboard. Okay, this is just a circuit board, but it's got all these holes, and then these pins are going to the holes. Okay, so this is going to come into play with this gun. These holes are going to line up with those holes. And then this is a sticker, like we always get. And this is a Elite Cybersecurity Hardware Division. This is like a rubber, feels like it's rubber, but it's got sticky stuff on the back, so it's like a patch, I guess, if you will. Alright, so that's it for this one. Kind of lean. But I'm sure that this thing is going to be very cool to play with. Looks like it's got Bluetooth on it. So we'll dig in and see what this, what they have in store for us with this. The display is pretty cool. Oh, this is a magnet. So this is a magnet on the back. Alright, so that's it for this one. HackerBox 60, and thanks for watching.